if I can get this right now. It's not really balanced very well. Oh, hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today, we're on another site again. We're at Woodland Waters in Lincolnshire. So, oh, no, hang about, what's going on there? Oh, there we go. Right, as you can see, the van appears to be working fine now. I've still not done a video on that. I will do a video on that soon to let you know what the problems have been. But instead, today we're going to do a quick squiz round where we are. Oh, what the hell's going on here? To use that instead. Right, okay, so I'm on the gimbal. Right, so we're at Woodland Waters and we are on an RV pitch, a large super pitch, which are as big as these, as you can see. And where the hell's that going? It's doing this. What's this gimbal doing? This gimbal is going really weird. Whoa, what's going on here with that? There we go. Right, so as you can see, it's a service pitch. So we've got power, light, water here, drainage. We have the same on that side for Connie. And we also have the car. So that is Rookery Lane there that you can hear. Let's see what the hell is going on. Wow, I don't know what's going on here with this gimbal. It's yeah, very, very strange. It's almost as if it's too heavy. Right, let's try this then, let's see. Okay, so we've got pitches here. Loads of pitches. Pitches down there for other caravans. And then across there, I don't know whether you can see or not, there's a lake. Lake there, lake down this side. So we'll go and have a quick walk. Down these pitches here, there's somebody there, so we won't film them. There's a caravan there, some lodges there that you can stay on. And then down here, as you can see, we have the toilet block. Toilet block looks pretty good. It's clean, it's warm, there's music playing. It's not too bad. See what's going on with that? There we go. There we go. Right. Maybe it's because I've not got the software installed. I wonder if it's because I've not got the software installed. Yeah. Anyway, I won't go into the toilet block. Am I doing this now? Is this right? Yeah, there we go. Right, so the laundry. Oh, for God's sake. This gimbal's not balanced. There we go. So in the laundry room, we have 2 washing machines and a dryer, which works quite well, and it's token based. Token based there, you put your tokens in. Tokens are £1 a piece, and you get 3 tokens in washing for an hour and 2 tokens for an hour in the drying. So that's gone funny. Oh, what the hell is going on with this gimbal? Right, there's the Elsan, and there's another set of toilets and shower blocks. Oh, for God's sake, I'm sick of this. Right, let's try something else. Right, okay, let's try this then now. This is on the gimbal. Right, so here is the Elsan point, and here is another set of showers and toilets and posh what? Posh what? Pot wash. This gimbal really is a bit weird. Right, okay, is this going to work now properly? Right, there's the ladies. And around this side is the gents. This is not working as I expected to. See, what the hell is going on with this? Why am I this side? Go back round that side like that. There we go. Right. Try that. Nope. And there's the gents. Okay, so we've got no smoking inside. And then we've got, oh, you know, I hate this. This is not good. This is not good. There we go. And you've got no electric bikes or scooters on site at all. And no pets are allowed in there whatsoever. So it's come down here, which is another bit of the road. As you can see, the road goes all the way down there in the sun. It's all there. And then here we've got more caravans, more camper vans, and we have more down this side as well. Now, this is where the Motorhome Happiness Meetup and the rally is going to be in July, which we have our tickets for and we've booked already. And I'm going to be doing some fishing on this lake here, which is the Specimen Lake, I believe. So I don't know whether or not that's going to be any good for me because I'm not a specimen fisherman. I prefer pole fishing and pellet and float. So we'll have to see. But it looks damn fine. We'll see here in a minute. Oh, see, look. There's somebody fishing here for carp already. Look, he's been out all night because look how frosty the ground is. Look how frosty this guy's been here. See, look. So he's fishing there, so there must be some big fish in this. And I know what there is round here, down this path. We've got Woody's Bar, and we've got the tackle shop, and we've got the Match Lake, and we've also got the small carp lake and the roach pond. So what a lovely day it is. It's really cold. It's about 7:30, 7:45 in the morning. And it's, the last day of February 2025. So I thought before we leave, site on Saturday, tomorrow on the 1st, before we go for a night at Haddon Grove, just one single night before we go back to Cheshire, we'd come here. We've been to see family and friends, and it's the long enough trip after Birmingham NEC to come to see our family because they're in Grantham and Newark, and we came here to scope it out before the rally, and it is a beautiful site. The site is amazing. Facilities need updating, it has to be said. The showers are not the warmest, and the shower block isn't warm when the doors are open, but it's clean and it's tidy, and it's worth the money. Right, so there's Woody's Bar. See if I can I zoom in? No. What's going on there with that? Oh, there we go. I've got to get used to this game. Oh, what the heck's going on with that? Why has it gone sideways? What the stuff? Weird. There we go. Right, okay. I don't know why it drops down like that. Anyway, that's Woody's Bar. We've not been in there yet. We're going to go in there when we come for the rally in July, or even maybe before for the Newark show, because we're here for the week before the Newark show as well. So that's looks pretty good. It was quite busy yesterday. A lot of people outside in the nice sort of sunny but chilly weather, having food. Oh, what the hell? It's gone wrong again. Hang about. I need to work out what's going on here with this. Right. There we go, that's better. It's the first time I've used this gimbal properly, and I've had it for a couple of years and never actually bothered to use it. So there's the car park for Woody's, and then there's some sort of Woodlands rooms here. Not sure what they are. It's like little chalets maybe. And then down here, this is the extension again here to the Specimen Lake. So it's a big, massive Specimen Lake. And then here on site is, we go this way, there is the tackle shop. And down here, we've got some more lodges, more chalets there. And down that side is the entrance. I'm not going to walk down there because it's another 300 yards maybe, so it's quite far. Tackle shop's not open yet, but I went in there yesterday and bought some stuff, so he's quite cheap. He's not bad at all. Then here, if you can see from the glare, this is the roach pond. That there's a guy sitting up, just getting ready here, and that is the small carp lake. And then in front of here, where these lodges are, is the Match Lake, and that's as big as the Specimen Lake, or just slightly smaller. The Specimen Lake goes all the way around the corner. So the guy there been here. Where are we? There's a guy in a van there, been here for quite a while. He's been here since we've been here, and he's had his little bivvy out, and he's got his gas canister and his cooker and his heater. So I think he's doing quite well. I don't know what people have caught here, but I know there's some big fish. And the temperature has just dropped again. Now it's -2, so it's a bit chilly. So yeah, so the site itself is really quite big. It's, oh, there's a car coming. 72 acres. So it's quite large. Is he going down there? Rod Martin, window cleaning services. Water fed pole system, that's quite cool. So everything's ANPR here, as you can see. So you can't get in unless you've got ANPR. Unless you come that way into Woody's car park. So anybody can come to Woody's for evenings or for functions or weddings, but not everybody can come through and stay in these pitches. So on this side, we think this is like the, not the static site, but the, you know, the residential sort of, you can stay a lot longer than normal, because these don't seem to have moved. So we've got a caravan there that doesn't seem to have moved. And then here we've got an older Comanche, the tag axle, older 3-litre motorhome, which is quite an old one. And then all these have got their awnings out, and there's a couple of three fifth wheels and an American caravan. So there's people stay here on a regular basis for a lot of the time. I mean, there's a guy there with his car covered up, as though he's got like an extra project going on. You see that next to the fifth wheel? Where is it? There. He's got his car covered up. And there's that Comanche. There's that Comanche there, fifth wheel, the older one. And he's got a green, like, I don't know, like a garage outside, like a lean-to. And then there's more pitches here for tents, not for tents, sorry, for caravans and for motorhomes and for camper vans. And then more here, power. And then there is a water pipe somewhere. Oh yeah, there's no water pipe here, but there's a water pipe over there and a water pipe over there. So there's a lot of almost fully serviced. There's no drainage. But then near us, you've got a motorhome service point. Now, there's a lot of moorhens. I don't know if you can see them on the camera there, just a little moorhen. There's a lot of those. And a lot of little birdies. We've put the bird feeder out, but we haven't actually seen any. So I don't know what's going on there with that. But anyway, this is almost done now, the water. And oh, the guy on site there's coming in his little truck. I'm going to have to get out of the way because he's probably going to come this way. So I will walk on the grass and let him come past me. Oh, look, there's the robin. Oh, no, he's gone down that way in his little trot, his little John Deere little 4-wheeler thing. Oh gosh, it's cold. My nose is cold. Yes, there was a robin sat on that wooden thing there saying hello. I think it's on the ground over there. So there's bins that side behind, the purple, as you can see there. And then back to the toilet block, back to the lodges here, and then back down to our pitch. So at the moment we're on pitch 30, and we had to wait on pitch 27 when we got here because somebody was already in our pitch. So we had to wait a bit, and it was a bit, 10 minutes wait, but they left, and we got onto pitch 30, and we stayed there for for over a week, from Sunday to Saturday. So yeah, a full working week, almost 7 days. So that's it. This is Woodland Waters. I'll put a link in the description below with the with contact details and everything else. So if you want to come, by all means. I think there's still a few places left for the rally in July. Just check on the Motorhome Happiness website if there is. And hopefully we'll see you there. Right, I'm going to sign off now. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one, which will be Haddon Grove, hopefully, for one night only. Hi guys, it's Saturday morning, beautiful frosty morning, about -2, and I'm here at the lake. This is the Specimen Lake at Woodland Waters, and I'm on the little hill in the middle just to show you. So we're over there in Connie. This is the specimen lake. There's lots of great pegs all round. There's walkways all over. The guys up there fishing. They've been here overnight. It's all frosty. See, it's a massive lake and it goes round the corner there. So it looks good. I haven't fished it this time. I'm going to fish it probably in July when we come back again, when we've got a week off work. But yeah, just look how beautiful it is. It's quite a nice sight. I'm well impressed. We'll be coming here again. So that's Woody's there. That's the tackle shop. There's the children's play area and lots of fields and grass for them to play on. All the geese are out at the moment and the ducks. It's very cold. Whew. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give you a very quick look at the mound. So this is like a little hill that is in the middle of the grassy area that you can see right over. Some guy there fishing. Looks like he's just doing normal ledgering. He's got his 2 rods out, so it's £7.50 a rod per day to fish here. No discount if you are staying on site, I believe, which is a bit of a kicker really, but hey ho, these things happen. They've got to pay the way for the waters, haven't they? So there we go, so that's it. So very chilly morning this morning, so we'll see you then. Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. It's a very brief tour of Woodland Waters and hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, share the video with your friends if you think they want to come here for fishing, and we'll see you in the next one.